Do you want to create images or video to support your dialogues or a voiceover? Now you can do that right inside Kukarella. You can create an image, and then you can make a video clip out of that image, like this. Image and video. And I will show you how you can do that in few minutes. So if you create a dialogue or voiceover, open the project, or when you're working on the project, just click on Scene Creator in the top menu. Here you can enter and describe image which you want to create. You can do that yourself, or you can use suggestions, ideas, which are generated based on your text. If you entered, probably it's about 200 characters or words. If you entered enough content, then our AI analyzes your content and comes up with some ideas, some prop suggestions. You can just choose whatever you want. Let's say we will go with this one: packed Tokyo subway car at rush hour. Business people pressed together, reading smartphones, a wide-eyed American tourist grips a handrail tightly, neon signs blur past windows, low-angle shot emphasizing claustrophobia, hyper-realistic digital illustration. I don't like this one. Maybe one with 2 or 3 characters in a frame will work better. 2 friends, one Japanese and one American, sit across a cafe table. The American leans in with direct eye contact, while the Japanese friend glances sideways. Steam rising from matcha lattes, soft broken background on urban street, all painting style with impressionist influences. Let's just add that it should be photorealistic. That should be enough. Yeah, I forgot to mention that you can choose aspect ratio. You saw at the bottom of the text input field there was a toggle where you can switch between 16:9 landscape, 1:1 square, or 9:16 portrait. It depends on your preferences, but you can use this visual to help visualize your dialogue. Here we go. So you have it. If you want to create a new image, you can click on create new image and go through the same process. Maybe you didn't like this one, but if you're happy with it, just use it. So as you can see, you can create custom images within few seconds. It took probably about 20 seconds, and you have all copyrights. You don't need to go to photo stock libraries and spend your time searching through tons of images, trying to find something that matches your requirements. Okay, anyway, we created this image, and now maybe you want to create a video clip where these 2 people interact with each other. Just click create video from this image, and you can grab a coffee while it's generating, because this process takes a little bit longer. It will take up to 10 minutes. So let's wait. Okay, we created an animation. Yeah, you see there is a tail, napkin or something. It's first phase of image to video generation, so there might be some issues, but for illustration that would probably work. But I want to show you a little bit some other tricks. So this was a dialogue about cultural differences, but let's ask AI what other images it would recommend us to generate. Let's say that what image would Tarantino choose to illustrate this dialogue? Describe for AI image generator. Now we can come up with some idea, and if we like this idea, we can just copy it and paste into our scene creator. Okay, we can copy this prompt, and when we go to scene creator, just paste this prompt. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Okay, image has been created, so I see this is from Pulp Fiction. I don't remember this movie, but yeah, this is one of possible visual solutions for this dialogue. You can download this image, you can share it with others. If you don't like it, you can delete it. Here is the prompt, which you can modify if you want. All your visuals are shown on this page, Scene Creator My Visuals. You can check them, download, share. Okay, hope this tool will help you to create visual support for your dialogues or voiceovers. Now you can do it right inside Kukarella in a few minutes. Enjoy. Please share your feedback. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.